is a philosophy of buying engagement. A lot of Lean activities or projects, they success or fail. I may say many of them fail. That's a fact. The reason, or the biggest reason they fail, is because they don't get the people in the same boat as them. So that's the philosophy of by engagement. In different words, they say teamwork or whatever. I call it engagement. So you need to persuade people. It's a very nature and beautiful philosophy of Lean to get more people in or be with you. It is not enough only one people or several people knows Lean, and they are the only one who thinks. You need to get everybody in. If everybody buys your idea, everybody starts to think the same way as you do, you will got more chance to succeed.